So today we are going to discuss about how to create Spring Boot application in Spring Initializer. So basic intention of Spring Initializer is that to create a basic template of Spring Boot application by adding some basic dependencies so that we can start working on the business logic, and we should use less time in the in the configuration of the application. Okay, so for this, let's say, okay, so for this we have to go to the browser, and then you have to start.spring.io. Once you hit the URL, you will be landed in a page like this. Spring Initializer is basically a Spring tool provided by the Spring. Okay, so once you landed in this page, you have to select the language. For me it will be a Java application, so I'll be selecting Java, and then in the left hand side we have a project. So these are the details about the build. So for me it will be Maven, but you can select Gradle Groovy or Gradle Kotlin based on your application need. Then we have Spring Boot version. So when I am making this video, the Spring Boot version is 3.0.2, which is a stable version. uh, I need to highlight that do not select these snapshot versions because these are the unstable version. Okay, now in this section we have to provide the information about the project. Okay, so for example, we are creating a shopping mall application, and we are creating microservice application, and one of the microservice we have is order service. Okay, so say for this group we have to mention the group ID first. Let's say the group ID is java.os for order service. In the artifact we have to give the application name, like artifact equals to the application name, so it will be order service. The description is basically you have to give some idea about what this application does. So for example, Spring Boot application for order related service. Okay, package name I am keeping as it is, but you can change as per your need. Packaging I will be selecting jar, and Java version I'm selecting 17. So in the right hand side you will have a add button. If I click on this, it will be suggesting show many dependency. For us it will be web application, so I'm selecting Spring Web. Then we have a Lombok is basically a jar which helps in reducing boilerplate code. Okay, so I can select Lombok. Okay, so now if we click on the generate button below in this page, it will create application with the name order service, and it will basically add the dependencies that I have added over there. Once you unzip the application, you can import it in an ID and you can start working on the application. So that is all for this video. Thank you.